Alright, so here's a video to show the additions I made to these air switches. So this is stock, how they come from the air ride place, and they've got these little bitty buttons that you need to be able to use a finger to actually get on and use them. And when you don't have good use of your fingers, that's really hard to get in. It's just hard to get in there with if you're just using your hand. So to make this more accessible for the client for the track chair, I came up with these little levers. Close them so you can kind of see. And basically there's a hinge point here, and then the screws are actually what hit the little button. And so by doing that, you add a lot more leverage, and you make it easier to just come out here and grab. So I'm going to use my whole hand, and you can easily just bump it and it works easy. It's actually easier for me too. So making sure that the client can easily activate all the functions on the track chair for ultimate comfort. This isn't easy. Trying to get in there, it's not easy. This is easy. And you can watch the dial go up there. And then release. And release. So here's the final of the air switch modification, so that they're easy to use, easy to activate. We've got some more work to do, so keep following us. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Here's the blooper parts for making the hand flippers for the air controls. This was an early prototype of the little shaft. TIG welded bracket that I blew back off. Early bracket that just didn't work very well. Machining a flat on the little shaft and leaving a very rough finish due to a bad end mill. Quill started dropping on the mill, leaving a nice tapered milled little shaft. Obviously didn't work. So it took quite a bit to get to the actual parts. It didn't turn out perfect the first go around, so here's some of the bloopers that went into making that. Thanks for watching.